Hi guys, welcome to Learn Maxi Silly channel, and this is the next video of class 12 matrices, and here we are going to see the continuation of multiplication of matrices. In this video we are going to watch out the properties of multiplication of matrices that has been given, right? Now there are three laws or three properties which are being stated for multiplication of matrices, that is the associative law, the distributive law, and the existence of multiplication identity. These laws are being studied by us in the lower classes also, the associative law, distributive law, commutative law, etc. The same thing over here in the case of multiplication of matrices over here, which we're going to see. So the associative law states that AB the whole into C is equal to A into the whole of BC multiplication, and the distributive law states that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and A plus B the whole into C equal to AC plus BC, and the multiplicative identity is nothing but A into 1 equal to 1 into A, that is equal to again the A matrix itself. So these are the one of the properties that is being given for multiplication of matrices. Now we will just jump into the examples that has been given in a textbook. So the example 16, what it deals with is, if matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 2, and B equal to 1 0 minus 1 3 2 4, C equal to 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1, find A into BC, AB into C, and show that AB into C equal to A into BC, as we saw before the property associative law they are asking us to prove here. So okay, at first they have found the value of AB over here. Yes, over here they have found the value of AB. That's nothing but, again as I told you, multiplying it with row and column. That is 1 2 3 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 2, and 1 0 minus 1 3 2 4, right? So the way they have done, it's nothing but multiplying the rows with the column. So by this we come to know that there are 3 rows and 2 columns that has been present in the result of the matrix that has been found for multiplying A and B matrices. So this one into this one yields you 1. This 1 into 0 will be 0, plus minus 1 into minus 1 is again 1. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. That will be the first matrix in the result one. Similarly, the rest of the matrix are been calculated as I have taught you before in the multiplication of matrix basics itself. The same thing they have done here in the result of AB. Now that in that question which we saw before, we need to find the value of A into BC and AB into C. Then we need to show that they both are same. So what they have done is they are splitting the entire question into part by part, so as to just take the answers whenever needed in the last part, when we are proving that, well, A into BC is equal to AB into C. So what they found is AB value. Now that we are going to multiply it with C, that's what given over here, right? The result AB is being multiplied with the matrix C. So as I saw before, the same as we saw before the multiplication part, the same thing is being done over here, multiplying the respective position of the matrices that has been present, respective elements of the matrices that has been present. Then we arrive the matrix over here, that is, yeah, this one, right? This is AB into C. Okay, so the similar way they are going to find the value of BC, and that BC value is being encrypted over here. So this BC is again multiplied with the A matrix that has been given, and they arrived this answer. Now what we need to do is we need to find this answer and this answer are similar, that is same, not similar, same, right? Yes, these both answers are same. So Hence they are saying that clearly AB into C equal to A into BC. Hence the matrix that has been asked us to prove or to show that this matrix and this matrix while multiplying will be same. We are asked us to show that has been clearly dealt over here as the result at the last. Oh, right, over here. Clearly AB into C is equal to A into BC. Therefore, you can just continue like this. Therefore, the given matrix is being multiplied and the result is being verified as been asked in the question. So this will be the result that should be written at the last of this answer, right? One of the such a simple question these things are. It may be look a lengthier one, but when we just dealt each step by step, it's one of the simplest question as we have ever seen in the entire lessons, right? Yes. Now watch out the example 17. Example 17 here tells if A equal to 067 minus 608 7 minus 80, B equal to 011 102 120, C equal to 2 minus 2 3. Now they are asking us to calculate AC, BC, A plus B into C, and also asking us to verify the same way A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. That law which we saw before, they are asking us to just verify whether it is true or not in case of these matrices given at the top, right? Okay, the same way they are find the value of A plus B. A plus B is nothing but, as I told you in the before, addition of matrices, just adding this respective position of the matrices that has been present in two matrices that has been given for adding, and they got the result. Oh, I'm sorry, they got the result A plus B over here. Now what they are asked us to find is, yeah, AC BC A plus B into C. Okay, fine. Now they found the value of A plus B. Then what they are doing is they are calculating the value of A plus 1 minute. Yeah, they are calculating the value of A plus B into C. Multiplication again, 3 cross 3 matrix into again this is 1 cross 3 matrix, right? I mean 3 cross 1 matrix. So they are getting the answer in the 3 cross 1 matrix, that is 10 20 and 28. So that we need to keep it at one side. Now they are calculating the value of AC. As I told you, this, they are splitting the entire question that has been asked into certain parts so as to arrive the answer clearly. They found the value of A plus B the whole into C, that is the LHS side, and they kept aside, that is 10 20 and again 1 minute, this is what, 28, right? So 10 20 28 they are kept aside, the LHS is been found. In case of finding the RHS, first they are calculating the value of AC, that is nothing but again they are at 9 12 30. Again general multiplication, this A matrix with the C matrix, the 3 cross 3 matrix and the 1 cross 3 matrix, right? They are arriving the answer and they are kept it aside. Again then they are calculating the value of BC. BC is again a 3 cross 3 matrix into a 1 cross 3 matrix. So the result, both the results will be of 1 cross 3 matrix, not both, all the three results, that is A plus B into C, the LHS and the RHS. The two values of RHS will again be in the form of 3 cross 1 matrices, right? 3 rows and 1 column. So upon adding the matrices that is being formed in the RHS side as been asked in the question, so they are doing like as 9 12 30 as the first result matrix that we arrived as the value of AC, and the value of BC is nothing but 1 8 and minus 2. Upon adding this they arrive as 10 20 and 28. The same, that is the same answer that we got while multiplying A plus B into C, right? So they are telling that clearly these two values are same, hence the given equation is being satisfied. That's it, the entire sum gets over, right? So one of such as easiest questions that has been asked in the examples till now, right? Till the dot page of 56, whatever the questions that has been asked is pakka easy. You know, you don't need to think much. The only thing which we need to be concentrate in the steps that we work out should be clear, and you should not have mistakes while working on the steps, right? Yes. Now, what is the example 18? They have asked us if A equal to the given matrix, then show that A cube or A cube or A square. Yeah, A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. Right. Now, this comes the again, this is another one of the easiest part. The identity matrix that has been given over here, that is 40I. I is nothing but an identity matrix, though this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, so identity matrix will be the same matrix format 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 will be the identity matrix always for a 3 cross 3 matrix. In case of 2 cross 2 matrix, the identity matrix will be 1 0 0 1. So with respect to the matrix size, the identity matrix will be changed. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix given in the question, so the identity matrix will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, right? Okay, then we need to write this as a first step. After this, they are finding the value of a square that has been asked over here. They are asked us a cube. So in order to arrive a cube, we need to find what is the value of a square. Again, multiplying the same matrix twice, we arrive a square as 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15. The general multiplication like this, right? Then again multiplying the result of a square with a so as to arrive the value of a cube, right? This is a square, they are multiplying it and they are arriving the value of a cube over here. Now they are just merely substituting it in the question that has been asked. So this is a cube, sorry, this is a cube and 23a. We have to multiply the multiplication as I saw before. The a will be given and 23 is in outside. Each and every values present in this, each and every elements present in the matrix A will be multiplied by 23 and the result will be jotted down over here. So that is the value of this. And with respect to the sign value present here, that is in this position, the entire sign value inside will be changed and outside will be addition, right? Then identity matrix they have given us 40i, so multiplying 40 with the entire thing inside we get minus 40 over there, and outside they are given addition. So again after this step they are just generally adding the respective elements of the matrix with their according position of the matrices, and the result is a zero matrix, right? Everything is zero. So this is one of the tedious process, so we just don't need to calculate each and every step in this explanation part of video because it will be some silly. So I just leave it to you because it is one of the very easiest thing of general calculation. 69 plus, I'm sorry, yeah, 69 plus minus 69, again it will be 0. So these things are not needed to be calculated each and every step over here, so I merely leave it to you. But what I want is you need to be so conscious while solving these steps because it is one of the easiest thing which we be in lethargic way, so that we can lose the marks easily. Because say for example over here 63 minus 23 minus 40 is 0, but we won't think that at that spark what we guys do is 63 minus 23, okay, minus 40, okay, 2 or 3. We just have a kind of lethargic things because we are at the last step, right? We guys have a tend of lethargicness because if we cross this line, if we come here peacefully, we do have lethargic and we just put one answer 0 as 2 by mistake, or 1 by mistake, or 3, whatever it may be, the entire thing will become 0, so the mark is 0. As I told you before, matrices, if you have a one number in the matrix set has been 0 or something else wrong, then the entire matrices is wrong. They won't even fetch you a single mark for the question, whether it may be 4-mark question, 5-mark question, 2-mark question. They won't even fetch you a single mark because matrices are more accurate in their answers, right? So kindly just go through the answers twice or thrice and recheck the answers. See, twice or thrice. This is somewhat different with these two. This is recheck. This is go through. This go through should be done when you solve the matrix just now. When you say for example you are solving the first sum matrix, this go through should be done thrice. That is I have finished the solving. I am again checking that, again checking that. Okay, finished. I am passing to the next sum, next sum, next sum. For each and every sum, this go through must be done. At last, completing all the sums, this recheck must be done for each and every sum from the beginning, right? The now this is a recheck time, right? Okay, first sum rechecking one time, two times. So on the whole, this first sum is being done for four times. The go through two times, recheck two times. Now similarly for the second sum, go through has been done two times already. When I'm doing solving the sum, rechecking two times, that's it. Because we in this way we can be sure with the sums which we have done so far. And if you are really as fast as you can, if your concepts are pakka, then you will be as fast, and the time management will also be in the same manner, such a way that you can easily complete your go through and recheck twice each. And the thing which we have written so far will be pakka and fetch you the exact mark that has been you have attempted in your exams, right? So kindly follow these steps. This will be really a helpful thing, helpful note for your exams. And now after this we will see the exercise 3.2. We have around uh, 22 sums. I'll just divide it into certain videos because it won't be, it'll be really a sleepy if I take the entire sums in a single short video. And we will see in the next 2 to 3 videos of example, I mean exercise 13.2. Still that, watch these videos again and again and have a clear idea of what are the concepts that we have seen so far, and practice the same sums accordingly again and again, because it is really easy but really a risk, right? We can't be lethargic. Okay, this is such a easy thing. If after this step, after this step, what the thing is, here every guys will be pakka with the steps, but the thing is, while solving the problem, the single number will be left out, so the entire problem goes wrong. So that will be the major problem of each and every student. Even I have suffered when I have studying this class 12. So that's why I'm advising you guys, you be kindly conscious while attempting all the sums over here, and even every nook and corner, the steps and the multiplication, the addition, the entire, summing up the answer and giving the last answer is much 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 important. And as I told you, 4 to 5 times cross checking is also very much important. So kindly practice these sums, and we will meet in the next class of exercise 3.2. Till that, watch again these videos and practice a lot. Okay, thank you guys.